Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to import emails to your AWeber list. Now, once you are in your AWeber dashboard, of course, you need to be signed in. You want to look towards your dashboard's left-hand side, which is going to be your main menu over here. Now here, you want to click on subscribers like so. This slide will appear and you're going to see your email list for your subscribers. Now, how do you add this? Or how do you add more? Very simple. Go towards your upper right corner of your screen. There is a blue button that says add subscribers. Click on it. There's two options after the drop down appears: either add a subscriber singular or import multiple. Now, if you already have an existing customer base or email base that's confirmed customers, you want to click on import multiple like so, and it's going to be brought to this page right here. And there are two ways to do so. You can manually enter or pay subscribers or their emails, and again, make sure that these are confirmed customers. Or if you have a .xls or xlsx, .tsv, .csv, or .text up to 65,000 rows or 5 MB in size are supported, click on browse feature, browse file and then just upload it from your PC. After that, click on next map fields and just follow the instance and you'll be good to go. So pretty much that's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.